terms of the figure number here, okay, the number of squares increases by 2 each time, okay? These 4 stay the same, so then we have the number of shapes we need to use will be 4, right, plus 2n. Okay, so for the first figure, we're adding 2 squares, right? So 2 times 1 is a 2. For the second figure, we need to add 4. That's 2 times 2, and so on. Okay, but we want to figure out what the figure number is, right? If we're using 28 pattern blocks. Okay, so that's solving for this. Now, if I know that 2n, if I add 4 to this number, I get 28. Right, then by inspection, I can say that 2n then has to be 24. Okay, and here, right, a number multiplied by 2 gives me 24. Okay, then that must mean that n is equal to 12. Okay, so in order to check our work, right, left-hand side, over here we have 2n plus 4, but instead of n, we're going to put 12 this time. So here we have 24 plus 4, which is 28, which is equal to the right-hand side. Okay, so n is equal to 12 is correct.